Who are the Japanese? New DNA evidence emerges from 2,000-year-old genome. According to School of Science, University of Tokyo, genetic analysis of an individual from the Yayoi period reveals immigration patterns from the Korean peninsula. Researchers at the University of Tokyo revealed that the primary influx of immigrants to the Japanese archipelago during the Yayoi and Kofun periods primarily originate from the Korean peninsula. This discovery, based on genome analysis of ancient individuals, challenges previous admixture models and refines our understanding of Japanese ancestry. Ancient Origins, unveiling the genetic journey to the Japanese archipelago. The research team led by Jong-Yoon Kim and Jun Ohashi from the University of Tokyo found that during the Yayoi and Kofun periods, which was 300 BC to 538 AD, the majority of immigrants to the Japanese archipelago came from the Korean peninsula. Their study analyzed the complete genome of the Yayoi individual and found that among the non-Japanese population, the results showed the genetic makeup most closely resembled that of Korean populations. Although it's widely accepted that modern Japanese populations have a dual ancestry, the discovery provides insight into the details of immigration patterns to the archipelago that had previously puzzled researchers. The findings were published on October 14 in the Journal of Human Genetics. Isolation and immigration from Yomon to Yayoi period. Today, Japan is an international hub for both business and pleasure. However, this was not always the case. The Japanese archipelago was relatively isolated during the Jomon period until around 3000 BC. Then, during the Yayoi and Kofun periods, immigration to the islands from continental Asia began. East Asian related and Northeastern Asian related ancestries account for over 80% of the nuclear genome of the modern Japanese population, explained Ohashi, the principal investigator of the study. However, how the Japanese population acquired these genetics ancestries, that is, the origins of the immigration, is not fully understood. Genetic theories of Japanese ancestry. Various theories have been proposed to explain the genetic variety of modern population. Currently, the two contenders are the two-way and three-way admixture models. According to the two-way model, the main source of immigration was the same during the Yayoi and Kofun periods, while the three-way model assumes two different sources. To investigate which model was the better fit, the researchers analyzed the complete nuclear genome of the individual from the Doigahama site, the archaeological site of the Yayoi period cemetery in Yamaguchi Prefecture in Japan. The researchers compared the genome of this Yayoi period individual with the genome of ancient and modern populations in East Asia and Northeast Asia. The comparison showed close similarity of Kofun period individuals with distinct Jomon-related, East Asian-related, and Northeast Asian-related ancestries. However, a comparison with modern genome also revealed that the Yayoi individual, except for modern Japanese populations, was the closest to modern Korean populations, which also have both East Asian-related and Northeast Asian-related ancestries. The Korean peninsula as a primary source of immigration. Our research suggests that between the Yayoi and Kofun periods, the majority of immigrants to the Japanese archipelago originate primarily from the Korean peninsula, says Ohashi. The results also mean the three-way admixture model, which posits that a Northeast Asian group migrated to the Japanese archipelago during the Yayoi period and an East Asian group during the Kofun period, is incorrect. Future research into Japanese population genetics. Despite this significance of findings, Ohashi is already looking ahead. He says, since our study has identified the primary origins of the immigrants, our next goal is to examine the genome of more Yayoi individuals to clarify why more than 80% of the genomic components of the modern Japanese population are derived from immigration and how the admixture between continental Asian and indigenous Jomon people progressed within the Japanese archipelago. The reference from genetic analysis of Yoi individuals in October 14, 2024, Journal of Human Genetics. And this is by School of Science, University of Tokyo on SciTech Daily. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.